In today's video, I'm going to share with you a huge seed haul that I got from Pike Nursery the other day. Also just a couple random other seeds that I've been acquiring since last season that I'm going to be starting this season. So let's jump right into it. Most of these seeds I'm going to show you are full sun. Some are part shade to full sun, part shade, but most of these are full sun. So starting off, I've got several here. I've got all of my seed organizers out. We are going to start with milkweed. Last year for the first time I grew this soulmate variety here. I didn't really know what I was doing and I just kind of jumped right into it and just sprinkled some seed down, and nothing really germinated except for one plant. And if you are on Instagram, you can see that I have some videos of the butterflies, the caterpillars that I raised into monarch butterflies. That one milkweed plant is the sole survivor out of like the hundreds of seeds that I planted. In Pike Nursery, I picked up the Irresistible blend and the Narrow Leaf. From Amazon, I actually got 4 different varieties. This rose milkweed, this variety called Showy, a variety called common milkweed, and then just butterfly milkweed. Next up is a wide variety of mostly flowers that I just picked up, and I'm just gonna try them. I am really starting to love growing flowers from seed. I used to only really care for growing vegetable plants from seed, but I don't know, I think I'm really gonna get into it. First one is this money plant. And then I also found a couple new varieties of marigold that I want to try. Those are this Naughty Marietta, and then a white variety called Kilimanjaro White. And then we've got stock. I know a lot of people grow stock and I hear great things about it, so I'm really excited to start these. Next up is lupine. Jeez, that's embarrassing. Anyways, carrying on. I found a new variety of nasturtium that I'm gonna try, butterscotch, and a new variety of sunflower. I'm really excited. Like, look how beautiful. They're teddy bear dwarf sunflowers. So beautiful. Next up, I've got some lobelia in the Cascade of Color. I picked up some poppies I'm gonna try. Orange. Some phlox. This Nicotiana Indian Peace Pipe is supposed to smell really good, and it says it's really good for hummingbirds, I guess, like it. That's what it says, or butterflies and hummingbirds. It attracts pollinators. We'll see. And then some Elysium. And the last 3 from this group is the Cypress Vine Funny Valentine, some status Russian. I may be saying that wrong, but it looks really cool. Amaranth, Love Lies Bleeding. It's a little depressing. Love Lies Bleeding. Yikes. Anyways, looks cool. Now delving into the fruits, the veggies, and the herbs. Alrighty, so I got some dill. Grew some last year. Different variety than this, but I really like dill. The kind that I had last year had really beautiful flowers on it. I'm gonna try a squash. This is called Max's Gold Summer Squash. I'm gonna try some fennel. I got another squash called Cubes of Butter. A couple types of peas that I need to start like now. Actually, I need to start them like yesterday. Some snap peas, and then snow peas. Next up, we have some shishito peppers. I've never tasted these before, but I've heard people talk about them before. Oh, and you can see Mowgli in the back here. Anyways, so yeah, they got these shishito peppers we're gonna try this year. I got a winter squash for the fall, maybe. We're not big squash people in our family, I'm not gonna lie. We're not really squash people, but I want to be a squash person. I want to be able to learn how to cook squash to where my family likes it. My husband does not like it, and what he doesn't like, I don't make. The way to a man's heart, it is through his stomach. Next up, we've got a honeydew melon. Never grown melon before, really excited about that. And last, and probably least, spinach. I have never successfully been able to grow spinach before, ever. I'm not sure why. Everybody that I watch just sprinkles it in the ground and it grows beautifully, and I can't do it. I'm still gonna keep giving it a chance. So I got this new variety called Lavwa. I don't know, you guys. I just want to grow some spinach, okay? I have a few things from MI Gardener that I ordered right at the beginning of the fall. I got a few different types of peppers. I have a sun bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, a banana pepper, this keystone resistant giant bell pepper, and a purple beauty bell pepper. For herbs, I also picked up from MI Gardener some cumin. I've never grown cumin before. I did kind of throw a couple seeds down in seed starting tray and nothing has come up, so I'll probably have to do a little bit more research on how to grow this. Some borage and some St. John's wort. Also picked up a couple salads from MI Gardener. I got a Bib butterhead lettuce. This one is supposed to be cool weather and okay for warm weather, so we'll see how these do. I also got a butter crunch lettuce that is supposed to be heat resistant and slow bolt, and then a Hanson improved crisp head lettuce, and then they also sent me this complimentary salad mix. It just says a premium artisan blend of greens that will rival any salad mix from the store. And then the last few that I got from MI Gardener are some tomatoes and a cucumber, cucamelon, which I have seen a lot of people grow these, and some people love them and some people don't really care for them, so I'm really excited to grow these. I also got an orange currant tomato, which is really cool. They look so cute. A ground cherry tomato, and then just like a Roma variety, opalka. Okay, and then I've got quite a few varieties of cosmos to go through. So from the Fairy Morris brand, I got Crest Mix Colors, Dwarf Cutesy Mixed Colors, and Candy Stripe. These I picked up at Lowe's, I think. Next, from Botanical Interest, Pike Nursery, I got the Sensation blend. This is what I grew last year. The Seashell blend, which I also grew last year. These were so beautiful. The Diablo, really pretty orange and yellow. This double click blend, I'm really excited. Look how beautiful. They almost look like carnations, kind of. Sorry if you hear my cat in the back. And then I got this apricota. Hi. Excuse me, can you see I'm trying to film a video? Huh? I'm trying to film a video. Anyways, apricota, really beautiful. And then xanthos, really pretty creamy yellow white color. Also picked up a couple varieties of snapdragon, which I've actually already planted, and they're about this tall. Last but certainly not least, there are a lot of zinnias that I got. If you saw my last video, you know that zinnias are one of my extreme top favorite flowers to grow from seed. And this is why. Look at all these varieties. Okay, so I tried to organize these by height. So we'll start with the littlest guys first. So I have the first one I got. This one is from Amazon. I'm not sure. It's this brand called Outside Pride, and this is the Lilliput. This is a Lilliput variety. which it says is only going to get 20 to 24 inches tall. There are quite a bit of seeds. But next on our littler guys is the Persian carpet zinnia. These say they're going to be for 12 inches to 16 inches tall. And from, I think these were from Amazon. I was gifted these for Christmas, so I believe these are from Amazon, but this is a Thumbelina variety, which it doesn't say how tall they're going to get, but I'm assuming Thumbelina means that they're going to stay small, but I'm not sure. But the description says, the Thumbelina zinnia is an annual plant with small pom-pom flowers ranging in color from white, purple, red, pink, orange, and yellow. These flowers attract pollinators and are good for long-lasting cut flowers. But it doesn't tell you how tall they're going to get, but like I said, I'm just assuming. Which also brings me why I love this brand, Botanical Interest, because they give you so much information, where this, you know, most seed companies only give you like kind of the bare minimum, which kind of sets you up for failure because different seeds need different things to germinate and make beautiful flowers, you know? Anyways, this is another variety of Lilliput. I don't know if it's the same as these, but we will see this spring for sure. The next is the Peruvian blend, and these say that they're going to get 24 to 36 inches tall. Zinnia Nazarkia. Sorry. But they are beautiful. Vibrant, award-winning zinnia. It's a bright magenta with white tips. I'm excited. And the last group are the tall ones with the bigger flowers. So starting off with this Zinnia Senora variety. Northern Lights blend. All of these look like they're going to be anywhere from 24 to 36 inches tall. This Cactus Flower blend, which is really cool looking. This is Zinnia Giant Purple. This is Benary's Giant Blend. And these are supposed to get, I think the flowers are supposed to get up to 6 inches wide. So these will be really cool. I'm really looking forward to growing these. California Giants. Fireball Blend. And Peppermint Stick. These look really cool. Oh, that was a lot. If you stuck around this far and watched that whole video, kudos to you. I know that was a lot. I know my voice is kind of raspy. I'm kind of fighting off a cold. I'm sorry if that was annoying. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.